Kill! Triple kill! Quadra kill! Pentakill! Ace! Killing spree! Rampage! Unstoppable! Godlike! Legendary!
Ow. To you too.
This cat's not letting me Facebook. Here. No, cat. You gotta stop it. I wanna watch this stuff. Cat. No. We gotta go the other way.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
Excuse me, sir. I've been wondering if you've found Jesus.
Oh my god. He's missing? What? No, not like literally. Have you tried Amber Alert? Because I saw that shit in a movie once and they found her. No, I mean like spiritually. Like ghosts and shit? Nah, I don't fuck with that. I played with a Ouija board once. I know what you're trying to do, and I'm not falling. No. No. Oh my.
What? Chi-Chi.
Man, what do you want?
Hang on! Stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a...
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?